lose somebody that you love when they hurt you. That is what I experienced in my own. When you love a man and the man they kill you, they buy you, sorry. Mama, it is very, very difficult for that kind of, but I'm here this afternoon to tell you ladies, never be afraid to lose that person you love that is hurting you. That is another message I would like to deliver to women today, because I was once a victim. Never be afraid to lose that man to say, hey, then go laugh me, then go do this. But you just they buy gradually. Your destiny just they go, your health is destroyed, your mental health not there normal again. I was there before. That one I want. Secondly, this discussion of say, now they call Kelebe. Now you want make me and one bro quarrel for this place 3 days ago. Our sister, I love
yesterday.
yesterday. Not day before. Now yesterday.
Yeah.
So when I love my father, they bring this matter. I hear the way when host they rise up. I say, woman, what did they happen? Because I really respect that lady as well. I love my father. You understand? So this thing of stop, don't call Kelebe. Enough is enough. You go they cover for person when not they cover for you. That is total rubbish. You know when they cover for who now who cover for you, you go cover for. Because not be say he beat you once, he beat you twice, he beat you thrice. So tell now this woman now nobody know that thing when do her for her just side, it can lead to stroke. Yeah. That damage when they say it can lead to stroke. Maybe the test don't go to stroke. That's why that mouth not fit come back again. Yeah. Even though that mouth, that shape go come back, it's going to take years for a serious therapy, but it can never be the same again. I gave an example of myself. If you go my profile, most videos what I do for TikTok, go look, I have a scar at my left-hand side. I reach hospital, they say, madam, you need to report this case. I still cover the wounds when they cover me. But no be person tell me when the time reach, now I say, waiting. Now say, Meg, you something they worry you. And if you not get work, this kind of men when they cage woman, they always they get plan B. Now the plan B now he used for this lady. So the same plan B now they use for me years back. Not do this, not because if you not get work, which power you get? After your kwekus, where the power dey? So I won't say na my kwekus be power. No, you get kwekus, you not get work, you don't get power. You get kwekus. You get some men, no matter the kind of time when you go give them, every day, you go see there where he did. The man go see there where he did, nothing go move on. And such men doing this thing, when she mentioned of this bobbing of hair, that lady made she go check herself well. I am telling you people today, a true life story, things that happened to myself. This man say, me cannot de plait hair, say hair not de hygienic. Okay, when I do, I'm talking about when I give you a book. Now I'm making another verse for people there here.
I beg
you know the concept.
Allow.
Mama, that's making another verse. That's so I can't always they carry low cut. You know the hygiene, you know do this one. I say okay, I respect him. Because they follow say Bible say make we respect our husband. And I know say now Bible say now who respect you, you respect back. I don't know for the Bible scholars. So at the stage when you can't reach, just like this man, he say they call the woman, they make love. When my eyes can't begin open, I can't get work. When he says I don't get work, don't enter my hand. This man can't change gear. Now so they got the same Nigeria just as this one they do so. 2 years. Now so they go. He get one certain time when he come back, he know the kind of communication. If man and man they communicate, you go know what in they talk now. But this one, if they know when the man they go work, when he they come back, when he they sleep, when he they chop, Can a man to man be asking, what are you eating? It's impossible now. I got them one corner. Now when I come say okay, now this man plan be this, another woman. House, I not go lie now. Mama what a beg I know they cook for him again. I know they cook. My pekus I put padlock. My pekus go fasting. To the extent this man now, because the modest kind of people, as if they sleep with you, just as somebody said before, now they take the renew waiting then they do. Madam, go search yourself. I was once there before. So that is why this now called police matter. If I hear what they talk, if you dare near me, I feel it's the person raw. because he don't cage many women, make enmity, but not make it not deal within two family. That thing is totally wrong. It's completely wrong because with their country when law they work. Even the woman do you anything, it's either you leave her, let her find her way, or you leave the house for her. Say you can't lay hand on woman, especially those good one. When one even buy for yourself, you go there, madam. Police not far from you report such men. This kind of men, they always they get plan B, and the plan B now he don't carry out. So that when he cage you, you can't become hopeless, no work, no money, no family, nothing. Then when that implant done matured, you can't go carry down one, begin jolly. You know you can't start from square one with children. That time, no friend for your side, no enemy for your side. People want know me. And now Italy are there, the city one are there, they know my story. This thing one they tell on so. So such men, they are very, very dangerous. The only way, the Bible said, if you want to go to a wicked man's house, what did you do? You first of all what? Bind him. That was what I did to this man. When I began make my plan B, this man no know. The day when my plan mature, you know what it come out from mouth? You just took me unaware. Now you know what I tell him? You think I was a fool. Now what I tell him? But they take the grace of God and courage to reach that level. Madam, as anyhow you want to do now, if not to go, report, you report. And where your own sweet pass, you are legally married to this man, both local and international. The power there your hand now. Now you hold the power now for this man. Actually, this one what you do for here. So go to the legal side, take a lawyer, tender the whole matter. Separation as how I like to say before. You show them, thank God, this injury one day your face is still there. Snap the picture, carry hospital report, tender everything. You separate from this man. One, all those money want to say they collect, they go stop him. You go they come your side because now you're not there, the children are there under your care. I they beg you. This man will not be small girl now you go carry now. You now the same thing when he carry you, the same. When my ex carry me, I was a young lady as well. But you know the girl when you go carry now, you go carry the girl of when I even reach 28, when you talk almost about 16 to 18 years senior, the girl now don't born today. You know the sugar's part, the way he treats me, when he cover me, not do this, not do that, but most of them are very wicked. This guy now they work, they allow they work. Let's assume say she's making her own money, but she's still on she's still on bondage because she not get friend, he not get enemy. Now that work house and now you go they work for. So please, madam, this man don't get already plan B. You now you just decide. Keep yourself, take care of your children. I beg your mental health, they very, very important. Very, very important. I believe say as you come this platform, anything when that man do today, when don't do you, God don't break all that chain. But all now, the ball is on your court. The ball is on your court for you to know the next thing to say. I beg another last thing before I go. Stop today. I take God beg on now. Anybody when they face domestic violence for this group or anywhere outside, make una they report. Make una go they report. Mona not go by before una time. It's very, very important. I beg. Stay away from those men when they beat person. May God bless everybody. Happy new month once again. Now well done.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. All tribe counselor, thank you.
Welcome, bro.
Preach. Doro Petty.
Doro Petty.
We go come go school of pronouncing of name today.
Mama, the thing Monday Doro they see with you.
That Doro, they see the remaining one.
Doro
Petty, I did Petty well.
my tongue go.
It
is where.
Oh, it's good afternoon. I don't come according to Brad Sweet Banana. I pray may God give me wisdom for what I'll talk. So,
amen.
I don't come match boundary.
Good afternoon, Brother Jude. I see you.
Stabeg, give me the permission of may I take counsel that our routine. We say we do this thing without judge. We listen without judge. Me, I want judge small.
No, we listen, we don't judge. Talk your own.
Okay, sir. Mommy, I don't say you they watch me. I don't say you they watch me. Where the man go hit you? Not be first time, not be second time. You not call police for her. What are you protecting? If you are not protecting your head, who are you not protecting? If you say that because of the kids, that make you not call police. If the man mistakenly eats you where you're not supposed to eat you now, who are you leaving the kids for? Do you not think the kids will be say you they protect, the man go fit take care of them? He go bring the other woman come. The other woman go gbas your pikin near. Your pikin go turn slave for another woman. May I not advise that one. If he slap you, the first time, call police. The second time, call police. And as they call police, so they keep evidence of everything. By the way, that aside, the next step when me go tell you say may you do so. Though for here we not the thought say leave husband house. But once violence don't enter like this, now pack your load, put for head, borrow everybody leg way they here, run come on from that place. Not nail yourself for there. Not to say I'm there because of my kids. You know how many people don't go 6 feet because of my kids. Because of my kids, you are still dead. The man they blast you. You go mad. Can you imagine? I don't know the way some men they behave. You carry woman go put for Nigeria. Do you think the one that you are not married, legally married to here, go get that same love for you again, or she go come they behave that same love for you? I know reason. Thank God say na Europe na day because di me wa no ya do ya tono na otapia pia yo wewe. I go just do and remove her. They not go ever, nothing go ever happen. Nobody go ever know say I do that kind of thing. I go ever eat for the day where they do your burial. I go eat, I go clean out. Because they don't do person. Bini they talk and say ya work bury, I ya boy yenedo. If now what you know say I go feed do you do me so it go good. If not be what I go feed do you, not do it to me, not try. You don't do it now, you they tell say you they do it. Polygamous, don't be saying not good though. It's good for people who feel stomach can. You tell your wife before you can go marry her. My wife, I see one woman, or the woman carry belly born for me. Oh, I want go marry the woman because she did. You ask your wife, you tell her, your wife can go the find out in another person mat. Now make that kind mat. So you carry super glue, you got me mat together. You know if you talk again. You know, oh, don't go this day, not talk to me, oh. Just follow where you they follow the call. Not talk to me. As you they bat men, as me self they bat women. Men will not know their self. Now so that they drag the what are you saying? Make the woman big for his ass. He marry her for small picky, carry her come Europe, begin to suffer, the boss and work, you not work, nothing. What are you not saying? What are we saying? Sister, carry your bag. They go where for they come. The marriage, if you not let you do, keep on. They put marriage for head. Drop her, not be you start her. People they do her before. How you go marry picky, small picky? You know how many years you senior before you go marry a come from Nigeria. You marry a come now, you begin to treat her in here. They go do your sister. Or when you picky, your girl picky go come cry, come tomorrow now. You come to say, Papa, now so this man they do me. How you go take her? You will fit take her. What you not say they no fit do you no go do you no go sweet. The woman go there they ask you say see what I see you instead of fit to carry the woman sit down. Tell her say I not plan this you see how it can't be you. You they tell her say what you got fine for dear. What you got fine for dear. Then if the woman do bad thing now go say the women don't start to women they not get character. Women they not do this one they not do that one. Una know the reason. Una know the reason. Okay, as he can't hear that news now, he can't see the paper, he can't see proof. He can't do that man near for his house. Now the news can't they spread. She now una go see can't they chat. Nah. He don't see hear the news. I bet the one that they do self for some people for this social media. For real grab, now no go look person face to face, they talk to person near. People they talk near for social media. We shall be made by the husband. This woman now, you not pass to that by that mat now with that mat. Wait, you mark both for one side. Will you ever remain the same again? The children where the woman born for the man now, if they look their mama, say not be so my mama fair be before. Will they be happy with their father? If the children can't grow now, they'll call it a normal thing. They'll go outside, go meet another person.
Dorothy, just wait. If you're in the comment section and you don't know where this program is coming from, what I expect you to do in this platform, we don't need multitude here, and we don't tolerate nonsense here. What you should do, we don't also force people here. What you should do, if you know that you don't understand what we are doing here, stay there, make sure you listen first, so that you will understand what we are doing here. Because if you are writing a comment section, I may mute your comment, then you cannot comment anymore. Okay? You better listen here. Our motto here, we listen, we don't judge.
Don't judge.
So just listen, relax, try to understand what is going on. Try to understand what is why all this reaction. Then before you will understand. Okay? Thank you. Doropeti, you can continue.
God will bless you. You marry small pikin, you 16 years senior the woman. If she help you enter adulthood, you see her, you knock belle for her, I born for you, begin to suffer, follow, you give the privilege, say, okay, my husband, go out there, be the king, go find money, come, you go, nothing work, you still stay, get the belle. If now some women, that 3 years is too small, they don't find their way, since they don't go ever wait for you. You feel still call carry and come, thank God.
Now, he might be faced with this, so.
As you call, the woman be faced with this.
The flash was small.
Now you might be faced with this. You go do your sister.
A mother of four.
If you want to
Germany here.
Improve for your body, you say women don't start.
In Germany.
That's so women they do. That's so they're not good. If you call bass for you now, you're saying, hey, don't call bass for me. Oh, that's so women where they Dutchland they do. They go do your sister. You imagine saying that your papa use and beat your mama like this. Belle go
mother of four.
Belle don't go sweet you. Picky where you woman where you carry for young age. Mommy, what me go tell you? Carry your bag, borrow our leg. We be 400 and something way day here. They go 500. Borrow our leg. I will give you my leg if you not get the enough leg. Run. If you feel run. Carry your bag. Tell they say you know they do it again. Not be by force. The money, if they work and since you say you get enough money to go to the arrange better marriage, can you imagine another woman come they call me say now the marriage where your husband you they prepare for us now. Not be small too. You go your carry weight. Wetin my husband not follow me talk for his ass. We not plan now. Nothing like that. You carry back, come out. Divorce, everybody go your own. That money we say get to take the plan marriage. They collect some government. I don't want to see this man. Mona carry they give me. Collect the money for here, they give me. Everybody go in your. Save your head. Save your head first. You say the man go carry you sit down. You go they use a clipper till they scrape your head. Why you they bring yourself down for the man in the first place? If you say me don't scrape your head, not go scrape your head. Why you sit down, the man go carry scraper, they scrape your head because they say they do project for us. Now you don't see the product of the project. The project now not be waiting your feet scatter, say me you push and come out because Peking don't pass and come out. Peking don't pass and come out. You want to tell the man now say go and buy that Peking that is in Africa. Peking will not know it. We not send the papa and the mama. You not send them the boner. You don't fit tell her. You see the product of the project now. The man say you get money, no problem. Find your way, go school. If you don't want to go school, go work. Tell government say you don't get the brain to work. You are 39, they go 40. Can you imagine? Me, why are you people always like this? You don't keep the woman youth age finish. Now when bone don't they break small. That time
I don't know I take born this woman for here. I don't know I take born her for here. I don't know I take do this.
Just see.
This place, so I don't know I take do this thing though. This place.
The woman now is 39, going to 40. Which strength she can't get to continue to work as a youth again? The time when she go take work, you camp the woman for his house, not do anything. School she not go, work she not work. What if she feel say now two they gather they do together now? Nothing. You carry the other woman there, you go put her. Not be make you even carry some children there, put even if you not put the woman go still get small happiness or belle where you not put my name, at least the children name they there. Make I still use that one whole body. Nothing. You'll be like, oh, youth age, you not take do for only you want. Why? Now this one small lad, I don't want to do again. You carry the land, go they build. Now that one, those still they nothing the woman can't get. They don't go do you now. Mama, carry your bag, go meet the lawyer. I don't want to do again. Not be fat, not just follow a fight. I don't want to do again. And that's our mama they talk. See somebody talk for years. She say, gather enough evidence. Carry the woman name, right now. No one tell like Germany for here that they verify everything. That Nigeria where it say they not go, so they go verify anything. If they want break your heart, now they go break her. That paper where your office say okay, yours they with you, even if they are red paper they with you, you feel say they not go fit collector. Try them. If they revoke us this morning, they don't revoke us since. They go revoke and they'll use your heart to do shege. God, this one enough is enough evidence. Go and meet them. I don't want to do again. I beg, I will come down because I feel for me that they fed the man.
Thank you, Doropeti. Thank you very much. Here, it just the go on your own.
Yeah, it don't bend.
Here, you're the go on your own. One eye, it just closed.
Yeah.
For Germany, Germany here.
Oh, wow.
Now your turn, ma.
I'm here.
Okay, welcome.
Please, man. Sorry, man. No, it's your turn because I'll be waiting since I want to go and drop my child in school now. Please, can I just for the call if I'm sorry.
Continue, Mr. Messi. Continue.
Thank you, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. Sir.
Good afternoon.
Mama Benny. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone. In fact, everybody don't talk most things I really appreciate, but Sam. First, let me appreciate you. God bless you for your good work. I know we hardly see men. I shouldn't say men. We hardly see men like this where they stand for truth. Because some men they believe like when they hear that they punish women, that they get right, say that they are right. Thank you, sir. When you always they come out for the truth. God bless you.
Thank you, ma'am.
For this woman, if you be modern, you really listen to this thing. You go feel touch. Because it's a pity, say many women they want to husband have, and the men no want. Many women be ready say make the tail become wife, make the tail be wife. But some men they no want. They just want make those women become single mothers because that stigma don't already be like taboo for the people who want to accept them. And for people who are ready to accept them. Being a single mother is not a taboo, it's not a crime. That one are for one issue. Sister, now abroad, now you dey. Now abroad, now they marry you legally. More will say tradition. People will not believe tradition. Person like you, now you get big advantage. Not before this abroad. And now social media constantly. If you feel rich person like this guy a pal, can't give her this story. That means you feel reach out to assistant socials. I don't know about Jamie. Now France I dey. See my ladies, my mothers. If man don't beat you once, call police for anomaly say you want bad for that man. No. Sometimes it go reset that man because our men they fear those names. But they don't use and put fear for majority of women. But they say if you call police, you be bad woman. Brother, you not that bad when you beat woman. If you really get power to fight, go fight your fellow men for outside. Not be your couple. Maybe probably the other woman where they ask now provoke you. If she talk, you can't put her for herself here. That one are for one. Another thing, I thank God for the woman brother, the man brother where I line this woman. God bless that person. Because not be everybody they give this kind of information. That means beneath they say Abioma be a boy. Not be all if you family. Not be evil like this man. That the brother knows that this man, what they do now evil. Now make if you give her this kind of information. Not be everybody. Sister, you get your rights. This is where you supposed to use your rights. Now abroad you day one. First, for that matter, they baba your hair. Now abuse is not so hero. This is abroad. Now big abuse, now that man they give you, even though they never beat you physically. Because some men don't already beat women emotionally, spiritually, even though they never use their hand to beat her. This one, because they use the hand, still they beat you journal, on top of the emotional damage they don't give you. Now abuse be that one. Work on yourself. It's not me. Thank God you are still young, 30-something. The sense when me get to that, we say I get her before. They not go one bagger before, make you use me before. I always they talk these things. Whether you like it or not, today or tomorrow, you have to make yourself number one first. For you to be a good wife, listen, you must make yourself number one. For you to be a good mother, you must make yourself number one. Bring yourself come number one. Because if you not put yourself number one, any little thing, man go carry you come down, you go lost yourself, lost everything about you. Man will beat you for where your children dey. You dey cover up. What about you know the mental torture those children don't get? Most of us today, what our parents do when they're small, what our father and what our mother and father, he said they our head. So at least we don't still reach abroad. Even though say na he carry you come, he not carry you come. Not give that chance. He don't they abuse you in emotionally. You surprised if you not see they touch you again for bed. Because now only when you want to go come to touch you, all the abuse don't complete to everywhere. Marry, born journal for Africa. How many you want? This man cause damage. Some people, the men don't kill them for this life. They just they work out with ordinary body. But if she come out just now, the word we call her single mother. Sister, don't leave. Not be only a tradition they do for your head. But separation is good. Don't divorce that man. Don't give that man divorced. I will not support you to give that man for my own. No. No give that man divorce. Work on yourself. Thank God for media today. You will feel inquire skills. I don't know about Jamie, but like here, France, person like me today, I acquire all my skills today for this from social media. Come this country where I did. So France, because of what our person push me go work. From there, I come back, start on the learn cake on YouTube. From there, start makeup. Today, I'm proud to be a makeup artist and a baker. Now tell they hand my living, though I still work. So work on yourself.
It's very hot. Can I go with a jacket?
Okay, darling. So work on yourself. It does not stop you. So do those things first. Because he knows saying he get plan over you, he senior you, he wants to use that old age mentality. So make it a career you come down.
There's a difference between divorce and separate.
There's different. Yes, I know. Not don't divorce him. I mean separate. No, I didn't say she should divorce the man. Because legally, for the country where she did, they marry legally. So she shouldn't divorce that man. But may she, like she not the work now, she not get money to take lawyer. I believe there is a sister social, there is a union, there is anything that can help her. Because they see free or they see that they pay put. So now those voice or the voiceless, I believe they have it there for the story what they hear for Jamie. So they'll feel help you, sister. This man pay you. Let this man may face the law. Not be say they want kill her. No. Maybe when they read the thing for Jamie, you too. Because you know the yellow language, you not know your right. So seek help. When it comes to this, the best thing, seek help for that country where you did. They will tell you your right. So that this mindset.
Okay, madam, because of time, sorry, don't vex. Because of time, people they ask you for comment section, like Sister Davis, they ask you, say, what is the essence of not divorcing? What's the essence? I wanted to ask that question as well, too.
Okay, for me, for the benefit, that man has caused a lot of damage on that woman. I won't advise her for her to go straight to divorce.
What is the not divorcing, for example, what is going to bring? Is going to bring anything good to the woman?
Yes, yes, sir. I've seen a millions of women that they go on separate way. Is after he did not work, she have gotten her goals. Then if she want to divorce the man, she will divorce it. But she already have 4 kids. I will advise her to keep the name, not because the man wants it, not because the name.
Which name?
No, I'm saying not the name of the man, not because the man wants it. She should use it because the man has property back home. According to the story, none of the charges.
Property belong to that woman.
Sir, this man married this woman first year. Something can still be done here because it's legally. The court has his way of doing this thing, sir.
What about the man? The man said that if all the property belong to that woman.
Then that one is another big thing. It's true. If the man have already said that if you put that woman's name, that one is going to be a good problem.
What about the man said that my property belonged to the woman, this woman? Before this man did this thing, he planned it.
Nothing can be done.
Not one day.
That means this man is a manipulator. The man is just, some men just want to keep this woman there. Let this woman just be I don't know, whatever name he think he has in his heart. But this is evil. This is evil. If the man do it like that, it's evil. But if that is the case, I don't know.
He's only doing evil. You have to say it's evil. He's only doing evil. Which evil will pass this one again?
It's evil. Let that man pay. If that man don't think like that, it's legal. But let that man pay dearly in that country that they are living, like Germany, because they are living in Western world. This will not be Africa.
Okay, Sir Mercy, let me quickly put you through here. Let me quickly put you through how it works here, okay? Now, the man is already threatening this woman. You know, say we men, some of us, we know what we are doing. Also, we know the consequences of what we are doing. Are you aware of that, sister? Sister Miss, are you aware of that?
I'm aware. I'm just feeling.
Some of us, we know what we are doing to you. Okay? Also, we know the consequences of what we are doing to you. Look at what the man is doing. If you go report me to government, say you want to leave me, I will buy you, I will buy your mama for Nigeria. Now, not hear that place for inside.
Yes.
I will buy you, I will buy your mama when they Nigeria. Because you know, say, anything will make this woman seek for that divorce, they separate. They go their own way. Eh? You see all the property when they buy for Nigeria, so for another woman, it will stop. Because why? To pay for 4 children, my sister, for here. Not be here. Not be here. Government, and they will peel your skin. Okay, let me tell you how it works here. Government can't do one thing, say, they don't feel they wait for man, say, go give woman money, go give woman money. Because they don't feel they wait for that thing again. Whether the man they work, they work, not concern government. Government will from their own pockets, they pay those children. Okay? Every 6 months, they carry the B, go they give the man. That's what they work for here. They carry the B, go they give the man, make go they pay government. Because the man no say the downfall of him. Now when this woman embark on that journey to pay for four kids as a man for Germany here, you know he's my sister. 2 children alone. Not money government they pay. Money father supposed to they pay. It's a law here. Money father supposed to they pay if you are not living with your kids together. And not forget, as a woman, let me still tell you something. No, if your kids are not living with you and is living with the husband, you have to pay the money to your husband, or to your friend, or to your husband, or to your boyfriend, or to your baby father. You are the one to pay the money. You're not the only man that they pay and give. Now who pick it they with? Now you will they pay her to. I just tell they work for here. You see,
that is good, eh? That is good. Then if that is the case, let her divorce the man. But she also put a complaint about the threat where the man threatened her family back home as well. May she divorce the man. If they earn
3K, but no they collect for that guy hand, it will reach 1,100, 1,001 something for here.
She go for that. Is the best because it's not too late for her. She's 39. It's okay. Let her go for that. At least she'd already born, finish 4 children. Then may she work on herself. Go for that to set herself free because this one are bondage. This is not marriage. This is bondage. So it's better she go for that. So if government can be able to do that constantly, so without no issue, I bet may she go for that thing. Which one be married? Married waiting. God bless everyone. Bye, sir.
Okay, thank you very much, Sister Mercy. God bless you. All trial counselors say separation first, then divorce. Okay, because not be see, may I tell you this thing? People they pass by now, they never know what they talk. They all sit down, they never know for the conscience. They all sit down for FYP, just the judge us. I never know where the topic for they come. You understand? Man, when you say he marry you put for us, they call her your husband. But that your husband now still another woman husband for another appear for Nigeria. Not be a woman feel take that thing though. So women don't agree. Say, me you dey like my wife now. Like my wife. He not get. It was like Jesus, he will God come for heaven. Come tell my wife say, as it can't be so, just leave this man not be only one picking go born for our side. Not be only one picking. It's not possible. Not be a woman they take that nonsense. It's not possible. You see that one say, you only born one picking. Now lie. Not be all women they work for. For my wife arena. You know, that can't not work for her arena. If you use other thing they play, like I said. But say you go born for our side. Go born picking for our side. Then or you go carry woman for our side, go marry her for our side. They come meet her for her, say, and I only that one a mistake. Now devil workshop. Allow, you know they work. You understand? So some women feel better, but not be all women feel they bear that thing. You understand? Don't I tell one woman this morning? One woman, I thought on this morning, that one owner, it was because why? That one, the 2 wives you're there here. Men, they enjoy share, but I don't enjoy with that. The 2 wives you're there here. They just there here. When the man, they married the 2 wives. See for Germany here. For Germany here, oh. We don't let our coach talk. She don't come out. Maybe she was in a hurry.
The network drop them. I don't know. Sister Joy tonight be one talk. She come down. I don't know what happened. But my brother Prince talk. Don't they hear before?
I did hear before brother Praise though.
No, but Prince come before. If I come, it can't drop. Brother Prince.
Yeah, good morning, everyone. Good afternoon. Host, oh boy, you dey try well for these things when you dey handle it, not easy. And waiting I dey hear, the thing dey tire me, I no lie you. Some men no be men. I don't know wetin I wan call that man. Whether na beast, I go call am. I don't know.
Picture wet. I wan drop you.
You carry woman for Nigeria go abroad. You do oath with am, blood covenant. You still go Nigeria go dey marry another one when you wan go marry again.
Nigeria don come back.
I don't know. Take oath to that one.
Take oath with that one. I don't know wetin dey happen. Whether na covenant that man dey into abi na society, I no understand. Which kind abeg madam, wetin you go do since e don dey like this, wetin that my sister talk na im go work o. Make you suffocate your lane o. That man wey dey use clipper barb you and children for abroad, e no wan make you get information from another people. E no wan make you relate with other people because of the kind human being wey im be. Im get plan. Im get.
If they see they hear, they will be cry.
Exactly, because they know say you go expose them. They know say you go expose them because you go tell them the truth. You go tell them the truth. How woman go dey use clipper dey barb im wife and children for Germany? You no fit give am money take go play hair. That one wey dey Nigeria now, that one go dey play hair. He go dey play hair.
Why not?
You no go carry clipper near that one.
Bros, you go Uber motor.
He go do wetin he no even dey do for this first one.
Yes.
This one just carry love. That's why they always talk and say, you see this love of a thing, me I would prefer make men dey love woman than woman go dey love
Underline
man.
that place. Underline wetin talk now. When I toss I love my wife pass, wetin una tell me? You understand no wetin I dey do?
I prefer it.
My marriage for don crash.
I prefer it. Because if man love woman, e no go dey be this character no go come up.
Underline.
E no go come up.
Na man dey
But
talk
if
so.
woman come love man, if woman come love man pass abeg sorry o where I dey you know as dey
I can carry you. Which car? Company car.
If woman go feel if woman come love man pass man, problem dey dey. Shey you understand host? Problem dey dey well. I dey prefer for me I go use myself make example. No be say host no fit talk am. Na me love my wife pass myself.
Underline that place.
But
underline. Na married man. Person may like this.
Because
I want to get joy. He get why. Na married man. He say na he love his wife.
Because
pass the way wife love
her.
Talk every day.
Yes.
That marriage, e no fit crash. E no fit crash. You know why e suppose dey like that? If I wish e dey like that for this man. Na me. E even dey obvious. People dey even notice am.
Say your wife love you if you pretend like say no go show you.
No, that one not before man say na he love the wife pass. There must be a lot of things when he know, when he gather, when he know. You understand? The way me
exactly.
You understand?
Even people it dey obvious for people. Because some kind things wey me dey do, me I dey even imagine how me take dey run am because na love.
Okay, I believe you.
That's why I tell you say I no need side talk when it comes to marriage. I no need friend talk. I no need family talk. Because all those talk e dey scatter. This woman not just love this woman at all. You know, he won't even reach 40%. That's why they carry the take oath.
Yes.
See as he take blow person pikin. Now slap abi na blow be that one. Almost some men if na my sister, I keep saying it. That man for don dey hospital for will. He no fit even slap herself. As he dey bring the hand come, he go hold am, dress am near himself, give am wetin he wan give am, make doctor come rescue am for him hand. I wish I get money for don subscribe my sister make e join this thing, make una see person wey I dey tell you. E no dey take nonsense from man. That day as I dey talk finish, he come call me that time. I say see wetin happen. He say ew, make dem invite am, make dem invite that kind man come meet am. I say I know what you can do, I am proud of you. You go let the man, that man no go even bold go dey get second wife. E no fit, because the heat of this my sister no go even let your eye even dey with another woman. E go dey give you bomber to bomber. Shey you understand? So you see this your platform, e dey make some women wey don dey die for pain dey come out come talk their mind. That is why I like the way when you dey follow am, because many dey fear to talk, because no be everybody wey you go talk wey go fit reason with you. Na only you wey fit get that reasonable mind to lis ten to woman na make am dey work.
Yes.
If no be say na law wey you put against, if anybody talk don judge, don do this, some no go go dey tell you again, and it's working, and you will live long for this job wey you carry.
Amen.
You carry work wey even pass pastor work na you carry. So some pastor cannot handle this situation you are handling. I no dey lie o.
Which of the pastor? You want to
I dey tell you, because that one will be after tithe and offering, but for you they are not paying you. You will still close for work, live sleepless night when you no sleep, still come carry people problem for head. My brother, anybody wey plan bad against you na back to sender. You no need to go native doctor, you no need to go any spiritual place, because people wey you dey talk for their matter, they go dey pray for you every day.
Yes.
Even me, I go pray for you for my hand, because some kind things wey I dey hear here, me I no go fit handle, and I try dey tell you. I go just go knock for that man heart. I go take am personal, but you are using diplomacy to follow it.
Yes.
Some men no be men, they just carry that thing for under leg. No be men o. That woman, I happy say you don come this platform come open your eye. Now this platform dem dey call am shine your eye. Na dem dey call this platform shine your eye as a woman. If you be dey play mugu follow man before, once you come here your eye go shine. That thing wey cover love wey cover your face go, dem go unwrap am comot for your face, make you know say na prison you dey, no be love you dey o. Abeg, make you first pray for that man, follow the necessary step, put that man for wheelchair. If na stroke, give am heat of wetin e no fit bear, e go dey stroke. Na true I dey tell you, e must dey stroke. E wan cause you BP, no, you no go fit get BP, na lie. As far as you don come here, that BP medicine dem don give am to you, you can never get BP. Na that stroke now wan encourage you, put am for wheelchair.
Last thing.
Sir?
I'll join her later. I'll name my wife on this place. They say Europe.
Okay, you dey in hurry?
I want to come out now. May I just keep something? I beg. That place.
No, let Sister Joy talk. If you don't give like 6 people chances.
See, if you wan talk, I will allow you talk, my brother. If you are not in a hurry, I will stop now. Make you talk quick. I beg.
Okay, please.
Okay.
I beg. I want to see beg.
Okay.
This marriage of a king, by both sides. Let me see. I want beg that our sister.
Okay, now
I
I'm
don't
gonna
see
mute.
it's not easy for many men, and they get it wrong. I don't know why man will come for you go marry for Africa. You get why for us? Now, while I the cost for yourself. I foresee more beg that our sister. I know see that matter wrong. Make it one kind of go come, make go test your shadow, put them under like separation first. We'll see whether the man will change. They put down that separation, then the woman will find a way out. Then from there, if one go or go on our own willingly. First of all, make go report to put them on separation. I don't know whether the man they fight her or they do another kind of thing. I don't know. Get me so now because we're not here from the man's side.
You know whether they beat her, let me say fight. They fight woman.
Or whether they beat her, man. Whether they beat her.
Okay, you want to know?
I want to know if the man they beat her, the man wrong.
Okay, wait. I want to show you a lot of evidence. Maybe you're new joiners. Why are they doing like this? Are doing like this just to also protect the woman's side? Maybe people they won't know how many knows the woman. You see face?
No good. A
mother of four now face be this one. A mother of four for Germany. More than narrate Germany for me. More than narrate Germany. They all do the too much. More than narrate it for me.
No good.
It's not that Deutschland though. That Germany be this one.
And
More than narrate it for me.
Rusty. I know of one of my brother. I know that show me that with this so nobody said they support the woman. His wife is very violent to that, my brother. A wife. I don't tell my brother, say me go report to police. My brother say because of your children. I said, this woman will kill you one day. The woman don't stab my brother like 2 times.
You know what wrong?
I said, oh, I mean you wrong. He said, because the father don't take off, I want to take off children. I said, you go meet yourself for heaven one day. This woman will kill you one day. No. The guy wrong come stay with me for that time lately. Come stay with me for almost 2 months for us. Samson. But tomorrow now don't say that the man not the violent. But at times he dey flip. Yes, sir. So I beg.
Women violence now 30%, bro.
I understand. Say that 30%.
Now you know.
I understand 30%, but at times many men for waiting me at day gates this one.
I never see time to sleep with woman. I never see time to sleep with my wife for bed.
I cannot leave myself here.
Do the necessary for bed. I'll consider that my heart has the race.
You in Yahoo?
Huh?
You make my obo. You make my obo. Why you go in Nigeria? This one my mother always say every time. Yeah, you go already maybe that time I want marry. If I go Nigeria, oh where now you go make my obo. And I lock up now. You're gonna go obo. This one my mother always say every time. Oh, you're more the bugby. I don't go obo. You know, so that's my submission. I greet the house. I got Prince. I heard the house. So
thank you very much, my brother. God bless you, brother Jude. Thank you for submission. More our sister Joyce Okoje. May she talk to us. She don't hear since. Why network the gamble up and down?
If you don't reach my turn, not tell me.
No wahala.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon, ma. You're welcome.
Wabava. I'm just new. Yeah, I'm just new here. Brother Austin, I've been following you. I think it's last week. I was trying to join you. I couldn't. I love your program.
Thank you.
I love your program. So let me bring down my English a little bit. So I so much like your program. And it moved me last week. There was one topic where you talk about. I was at work. I just put on my earpod. So throughout, I listened to that program A to Z. And when I was driving, I was still on my earpod. It moved me to join you. So that is when I started that is when I joined this program. But I'll be following you.
Okay, thank you.
I never join anybody on social media like this, but they follow them. Wait, I don't get time, but I just say, wait till they talk, it they make sense. Thank you, my brother. One thing I want to say here about this woman, because I did hear where you start on. Immediately,
Yes.
it just alerts me. I joined. So, one thing about we women, whether they come from Africa, I include myself. I was once a victim. Thank God today, even people in my city, the many of them were not strong before. They through me, they're strong. Waiting, they not even get before I come. Through me, they begin to get on.
Yes.
What am I trying to say? Say we where the break come from Africa. So they will be say once they just come, they just see the way where the majority they behave, they go just come out. They go find way to come out. While some way be say that that is the get maternity of our mothers. Our mothers wey be say, I no want born for here, I no want born for here. Whether our papa they beat am, he go dey inside. Anyone where the man talk, he go say yes, sir. So I dey among too. When my own happen, I want use am just to make example for this woman. Make she pick something for inside, because who they alive now get power. That is who they alive now they do something. Where there is life, there is hope. Where there is life, there is hope. As this thing happen, life never finish. Oh, life never finish. I did 30-something years where my own still happen. It bring me come. But I know one day, I'm not a lazy person. Right from Nigeria, before he even come carry me, I still have one son before he come out. So, just like that, as I come, we begin to live. I don't know what happen. Even when I come, it was even asking her, the very day I land this country, he said, somebody call her. I didn't understand. Later he said, will you allow me to be receiving my ex-girlfriend? That is the girlfriend where she the friend before I come. Will you allow me, may I receive her call? I said, no. So he begin the dodge. Sometimes he go say he travel. I not go know where they go. He go say they go one of his friend. That our relation. I want go visit him. He go leave me. He go leave Pikin, because now me and my senior son I fair carry come. Why the second one, when he come visit, I can't get pregnant of the second daughter. So when he come, as I come, he say, okay, you want go? Me and the boy will stay for house. Now he go. As he go, God was so kind. Say people where they always they do like this. He go only take God, they expose them all, especially women where one live for that marriage. Especially women where just get, you go say, I don't get where they go. I want to stay in this marriage. God, they always they fight for us. So this man, what did this man they do? So the time when this man they receive punishment, if they come, karma is real. Karma is real. So we just did like that. One day, our light off for house. What I want do a new call. As I call line, no pick. The person where he say they go in house. The person where they say they go in house. I get that one. I can say, okay, when I call, you no pick. Later, I call me back. I said, why you not call me? Why you not pick my call? He say, they just go out here and that in brother, they go shopping. Now I say, okay, where is your brother? Now give him a phone, let me greet him. He say, he's not here. He begin to play around. After about some days, he come back house. I said, welcome. When they come, he bring cream, body cream come house. I say, body cream. We not get body cream because we they use the same body cream. He said, no, leave her there. I pack that cream. That is why it's still good. Say women, we be say, they know they talk, they know they want pick action. The time when they'll take pick action, they'll say they don't spoil them. So that is what that man did to this woman, because he don't want her to associate with people. Because if he associate with people, this woman go open eye. If she open eye where she go open, not be said to open eye to cause destroy her house. So she wait till this man no one make she know, say they exist. He go come know her. Now I made that man the fear. That is what still happened to me too. Then we begin day like that. Until when it come be say small time now, I come begin the open eye. Then if I tell her this one that time, what you call they tell me if I ask reach outside, I go ask. That time when I come, I they plait hair. I go they hear people go they talk. I go see they ask, they say how this thing they exist as you know what, because things they will be say you no want disclose. You no want disclose to me. So when I reach out, if I ask her, he go say, that one don't, he go say, who tell you that one? Say now where I go walk. Now they tell me, he go say, don't matter. So that one passed. Gradually. Then BT can enter. BT enter. As BT enter, as this woman still do so, I no report to police. So I no report to police. So they neighbor call police. They call say involve social. As they involve social invite me. They say they won't even give me her because of my son. Wait, be say as he want to beat me, that one lock door. He used force to open that door. My pikin hand pee. I was so lucky that I said they not take that pikin from me. So later, now they can't leave everything. On behalf of me, they carry this man go court. He begin to narrate me, say I be bad woman. But all the whole record, if he beat me, I must surely land. Blast must surely come rush me. I'll still defend them. But at the end, when they come say they want come, they said now they can't carry and go court. As they carry and go court, we two of us, we take palo, you don't see newly beat me. Now so they call me. As they just call me, I don't sabi Italo language. Now I say, my husband, they say no, they don't want to speak with that monster. They say that monster, they don't want to speak with her. So now I say, okay, make them talk. I put the phone for speaker. They say, okay, you are name. Now, so date that they carry you, they go court. I begin, he face me for her, say now me. Now say me, your friend, wife, they there, where they even come meet me for hospital. They say, make I sign, I not sign. I no sign. They say, which kind of person be this one? But when the thing called was, now I go this thing on my hand, I can't take go carabiniere. Can't go report, say, I want die, yo. As I see Dunisha finish, they say, make I sign. As I know they sign. Make they call and make they wanna. Because me, I call the fear to lose my marriage. I don't even know, say, where me even day.
They tire for our sisters for here. Now because this one, she do so. Now make police tire for our sisters
okay.
Here. Continue, mama.
Yes. So we me not know until when come be say the thing can't reach me here. I not see sign. Now they call and they come tell and say, now better woman now you marry. Use hand take hold that woman because to say now some people this thing where she can't complain for years. So and we don't even know. We don't come to your house 2 times. We for even you forgot J. But that one come pass until when they come as he reach house. You know what this man do? He just pack a load. Before I even say make I come, he can't even get plan B with another woman for America. That one don't even carry invitation come meet town. Now me even see the invitation. I carry am come up for house. You know, say some maid day. Some maid day. If they marry woman, they'll say that woman a fool. They'll say that woman a fool. Not be fool. Just the way that woman be just now. Not be fool. But the time where fool go take the react in you. They'll say now somebody spoiler. Not be somebody. Sometimes the person go just sit down. Your things go begin just they pour in your brain. Wait the step where you want it. I carry that invitation come up for us. He begin the shout. Person when not they talk to me for house before. He say, come on, I beg, you see, he begin they use play here. You see this one thing for shame not let them talk her out. We legally marry for Nigeria. In the Nigeria when me go divorce her, when I hear say he remarry for Nigeria. I move. It's good for woman to walk. When you are in abroad, walk. If anything happen, you go stand for yourself. You go stand for yourself. Not to say, my husband say, make I not walk. Since I enter abroad, since 2006, I enter abroad, I dey walk. I first of all, they plate her. I from there enter restaurant. No walk when I know they do. I go finish for restaurant finish. I go enter beach, go do hair. You know how much they tell they do hair for beach summer? Before they enter walk in the evening, I don't already walk about €150 for beach. every woman have to be strong because Europe marriage, not be all. Europe marriage, it get as it be. It get as it be. Wedge yourself down in case of any emergency. Marriage not an emergency. Anything fit happen. Anything happen. Just like that, until when be say, I know I say I not see her. He still make sure say he call the woman say person wey be say I marry with. He tell person for America say he no get wife. Person where I get 2 children with. He say he no get wife. When I see that chart, I was so mad. And I was so vigilant to monitor him. And as he dey plan, now so everything I dey get am. As he dey plan, and so I dey get am. Until we be say the woman still bring photocopy, come give her again. The photocopy one still land. As he just see they come, they still put her inside letter box, he not enter finish. As I see they come back from work, now I still remove her. I go out, go read her. I read and finish. I tear everything I put down for dustbin. Where you they go? Now you carry me enter Europe. Then you want to leave me here? Now boyfriend and girlfriend, now we take no for. I not be saying they abroad before. Now me with a day before he come abroad. I suffer. I cook corn. I roast corn. Just the way where that woman suffer. I suffer. It's just by the grace. I not go native doctor because I hate native doctor. I don't want to go native doctor. But now by the grace of God, now that man can't take carry me. So just like that, he come Nigeria, first visit where he come for Nigeria. Me no even know say now he with girl, now he even come. He stay finish after about some days after we don't do our traditional that is court marriage. Because when he come now we do court marriage. We do court marriage finish. The day when the brig observer come for us for house, he say if they come, he want reach New Benin, he come. This man go sleep for outside. Me and his sister, we sit down. Now I tell his sister, say, see you. Now so he just take call me. I'm not coming home tonight. Me, until just that one pass, until we be say, I reach here, things begin to happen, Until we come be say, now he use the hand, where police don't wanna, they say, next time if you do, I go. Now jail you they go. Now he tell and say, okay, he use the hand, carry bag, now he go. Brother, my family, where did this platform? As this man go, it can't be like say something come out for my body. It can't be like say my eye open. Things when I never get before I begin to get them. I not get his job. I get his job. I got his job. Then from there, I stay with my children. In the Nigeria, because when our daughter dey home, that is now 2 of us. I want to talk. The first one with the come. Now me and this senior one I come. Then why the second one we leave that one 7 months. Now I leave that one with my mother. Now we enter Europe. To even to plan to go carry this junior one come. They even they think. But now me since I dey work, but make it come. Now they come they pump money put. Now only DNA. Now this man, I thank God say we can't do DNA before that pikin come back. So if my father want carry and go embassy, now me they go they give them money, but I can't they cover for him. He say make you not take this one, more not take go embassy. I can't they cover, but where everything can open, now me can open in Nyash. So things begin the day like that. In day Nigeria, before I do finish, now so this man carry load. He carry it back. I think say now play. Now he come out. He friends where they Germany. That they come they begin the advice and say, go and meet your family. He say, no, make them not talk come again. Make them not talk come again. Until this man, he use his hand, he carry himself go Nigeria. he carry himself go Nigeria. Woman wey be say 2 of them graduate for years back. Now the day now she can't go marry. I even thank God say person wey even be say he even senior me. Now he go marry. I'm just 50. By the special grace of God, I will be 51. Next 2 months. Just like that. Now so my life just start. Anything happen, don't fear. But fear, I was having fear from the beginning, but God stood by me. Why? Because of that job. I was not having driving license. I enrolled for driving school. I got my driving license. Before he say me you walk out around, go Nigeria, come back again. Brother Austin, I don't get my driving license.
Wow.
Before they do any of that thing, I don't buy land for Nigeria. Just like that. My senior son, if you look at if you look at my what is that? Maybe you'll see my TikTok. My senior son graduated 3 weeks ago. I was the one that trained him.
Wow.
The second one now is in year 1, 2. So, my sister, anybody here, you are a woman. If you are not strong, there is something for women to do. Learn how to get money in case of emergency. Because if to say this woman they work now, I just say may I just throw about me so that this woman she go still get hope. I be one even turn to mad person then, but when my body can't come out, everybody begin to learn. See this woman where just come meet us for here. She don't get driving license. Women were not serious for our city before. All of them begin serious. All of them begin serious. I know they look my hand though. As I see be now, I don't remarry. I know they look my hand. I know they look my hand. Before ma go say, I don't go do this one. I don't do shopping in entire house. I know they look face. I'm not a lazy person. Please, my sister, the only thing where you do, the class, now you hold the handle. Now you hold the handle. While your husband hold the sharp place. So you will hold the handle. If you draw, I go cut the hand. The first thing where you go do, first of all, go take your marriage certificate. First of all, go hold that one. Because when my own they come out, he pack everything come out. This I not go fit do anything. When I hear say he marry, I from here fly go Nigeria. My daughter na me still bring her come. Then Nigeria where I go bring my daughter come. Before they do, my daughter don't reach here. That one pass. Then before I hear say he marry, I give her time. He remarry. As he remarry, I bought ticket. I go Nigeria. Before they come out for here, I contact one of my friend will be police for Nigeria. There he give me lawyer for there. Then as I they come out, I not get this marriage certificate. He say me I not mine. They'll go red though. I talk to the lawyer, the book appointment, the photo where it take punch my face, everything. I make sure say I print her out. Now that one now take go court. When judge see her, I not do. They say when we take separate. Now say I never do separation, but he don't leave house for how many years? And I say that one a separation now. Immediately, the lawyer, the judge say if he hold this marriage again, say somebody go pass on. Immediately, now the judge dissolve the marriage. They give me my certificate. I can't present her for Europe. So the only thing where they my sister, the man he use you to enrich in pocket because he know say. Your spirit, your head go for him. That is why the man they threatening you say, if you dare leave him, he go kill you, go kill your mama. He not go do anything. He not go do anything. Remove that fear. Remove that fear. So what you go do as our people they talk since, carry your certificate, go consult lawyer, try to look for job. That is what I have to say. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Star Joyce Okoje. Thank you. You are welcome to the platform. You are welcome to the community. You are welcome to the house. And God bless you for your time. Thank you for liking us. Thank you for speaking out your mind. And thank you
Amen.
For your contribution. And God bless you.
Yes.
The God that gave you the strength to achieve all these things, to move on. I pray this woman listening, and I think she have one or two things to also learn from you. Thank you very much, and God bless you. So let's continue to our sister, Mrs. Martins. Sister Martins, say the story again. Analyze the story again. Comment section. If you want us to analyze the story again, say yes. If no, say no. Commenters, you're not doing the sleep. You're not there.
When they talk about the story, I think maybe she sit down there, maybe they listen.
It's a 60 many years, oh, many years.
All of una years. Now we say nobody dey here that.
That means not there since.
Voila.
Jesus. See my sister, regular baby. Regular baby, where you come there? If I catch you for belly here, hey God. Hey, where this people since?
Make she talk first, make you analyze, make you retalk am again now.
Where did this since?
All right.
They don't forget.
Good afternoon, host. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Mama.
And good afternoon to, and God still bless every woman here. We don't give her own story and we don't give her own suggestion. And my first time of joining this program be that, and I'm very, very, very happy to see people where be say them feel come out to say things. I not go take so much time, and I go speak out of experience.
Okay.
First of all,
I bet comment section, make she finish first. May bros talk and begin, yeah?
You know, so when something happen to a person and people advise, now out of all the advice wey people don't advise, now that person go choose wetin he go take do. Usually, I dey talk and say, when person dey for problem or when person dey pressure, advise am, then make you leave am, no influence am. Because if you influence am, later you go say, now this person say make I do like that, because influence, you no take that decision on your own. So I believe say everything we go talk here and everything where people go still talk, and the ones people don't talk even before I come, the woman go digest, and nobody they tell you waiting to do. But now waiting we feel say it go help you. Now waiting we they try to suggest. So you now you go sit down, then you go take the ones where you go take. Then you go leave the ones where you go leave. First of all, I go first talk waiting I think before I begin analyze one or two things where I understand from this woman's story based on experience. First of all, Mama, I go strongly advise make you genuinely forgive this man from your heart. Because now that forgiveness could be the beginning of your strength and the beginning of your victory. Because anything where you use bitterness do, you go do it wrongly. For your own sanity, for your own sake. This thing where they talk, even with your power, you know fit do it. Now God now go fit help you. Until you forgive this man genuinely. Now that time you go get the right wisdom to take the right and necessary steps. Secondly, wetin I go suggest be say, now, those marks, the bruises when they beat you, it dey for your face. Make you go hospital. Then hospital go give you paper. It shows say medically, it dey recorded. Then if you now go to police station go still see am. When police see am, I strongly advise, look for a means. Take your 4 children and leave that country to another country, European country, so that when you get there, you will table those evidence where you get. You know why? He who lives, he who runs today, now because he go live another day. Why I talk this thing be say, I been hear person talk say, no mind that mind, no get wetin he go do. People bad oh. I no go tell you say make you no mind that man. Say you no get wetin you go do na lie. Why I go tell you say I no go mind that man? Because for all these things where the man they do since, that man is unpredictable. Evil people, you cannot predict their next step. This woman, wetin happen to this woman, no be just by her own self. I hear people they say she's desperate. She's desperate. I do not agree that she's desperate. I believe she's a victim because bad things happen to good people and also innocent people. This woman, they don't beat you one, they don't beat you two, they don't beat you. 1 decade don't pass. Now which woman in her right senses will not think say she go dey there? This woman is not only living for herself. She's not in that marriage because of herself. But I tell you people today, her family contributed to her stay in that marriage. Because most of our families, they are very, very, very selfish, especially our parents. That man married that woman when he did 20 years. So now you want to tell me, say for that, maybe in her 20s, you want to tell me, say for all those times, the man never do anything for her family. You want to tell me, say the man never do anything supportive for her family. The thing with that man, say they hold that woman anytime where be say then get correct. Go tell her, say you be ungrateful. After all the things what I don't do for you, after I don't carry you from Bongo come here, the family go say, my pikin, I beg, just be patient. I beg, see me now. See what the man don't do for us. I beg, you just take calm. He go change. I beg, he go change. He help your brother do this. He help you do that. He help us do this. He do this, he do that. Me, why they talk this thing? About 13 years ago, where I first married for Nigeria, the man used me playboy. He nearly take my life. 13 years, I was 19 then. I left the marriage. Do you people know that after 10 years, when my own elder sister come marry, the husband, they use her, they do punching bag. When he want talk, he go say, I think your sister first come out. The door, they open now. If you want come out. And when my sister go cry, give my parents, guess what my parents were doing? Now, na pikin them beat. My parents go, they beg the in-law, say, I beg, no verse. I beg, no verse. My own parents go, they beg the abuser of their daughter. Why? Because then they fear, say, make the second one we marry, make he no still come out. The man, they use my own story. He go use and they beat my sister. He go use and they maltreat her. Families, anytime when that man beats my sister, he go send money to my parents. Anytime when he beats my sister, he go they maltreat my sister. He go they take care of my parents. Tell me where the parents want stand put. You think say na every parent, see, most of us for our marriage, we they live for our parents, not be for ourselves. Our parents don't live their life, then go still they live the life of their children for marriage. Our parents no go tell them, they will not stand up for their children and go say, I beg. You know say, what do people go talk? I be heard that for church, I be heard that for church. I be Christian mother. I be this, I be that. Una daughter they die. Tell me how many parents for Bongo no wish made their pikin. They wish their children die inside marriage than they stay alive separated. That is the mentality that most of our parents have. Not all, but most of them have it. That lady did not stay this long in that marriage because she wanted to stay.
Underline.
Her family contributed. You get one man we been come before, if they ask, say, where the family of that girl? Then they. Now me they tell you, say the family they. Now their belly, now then they fine. Most of us with their marriage, now the things where our husband, now the one where our some family believe say now the husband of the girl, now go come out there for poverty. Yes, now me they tell now. So that lady didn't stay in that marriage for that long because she wanted to stay. She stayed there because her family also contributed to it. Poverty no be weakness. It gets some family, then they poor, but they still get voice to fight for their own. No be every family they do like that. So now family where be say the parents are living the life of their children. They are living the life of their children, even while the children they inside the marriage. Now them they do like that. Sister, you wait there Europe. Now this one they always they talk. Oh. See, by the grace of God, me I be pastor wife. Before I marry my husband. Yes. Before I marry my husband. I tell my husband, say, before I marry, I tell and say, guy, the day when you go raise hand up, you not beat me or not slap me. I say, I will denuncia you. I will go straight to the police and I will report you. I don't say you go beat me or I say the day when you go slap me, I will go and denuncia you. Now Europe I dey, now Italy I dey. I didn't just tell him. I called his widow mother in Nigeria. I say, Mama, tell your pikin, make una advise her. The day where your pikin go raise in hand for my body, because the time while they grow, they come. I don't chop beating. At that time when I was 19, God could still help me. I ran away for my life. Wetin you say I go do now where I don't still get sense more. No be man, na him go make me fool. And I know myself. Marriage good. A complete man, a complete woman, they marry themselves. Then go day, the marriage go day. But when you feel say na man, na him go complete you. Now there problem the day. I tell people for house, make una talk to una pikin. This thing what I said before I marry her. Even as we marry, I dey remind her every day, I dey remind the parents, any day where una pikin go touch me, I will report him to the police. And any day when belle don dey do am, everywhere don dey pain her, body don dey pain her, I go tell her, say, guy, I hope so you don't forget my promise. I know the woman where they talk anyhow. I don't make empty promises. I don't threaten you. If I say it, it's because I know I will do it. Not be by my power, but by the grace of God. The man never try am. I sure say he no say I go do am. I no talk say because I don't marry before. Make I wait, make man use me clean yash. No. Madam, how far? You come Europe. God
you say they do it.
So they cost me for food, and I go buy food stuff for one eat for house.
You come Europe, God help you. Because of money where then they pay children, you feel say you don't arrive, you feel say you don't make her. School, you no go. Most of our women, not be the men, they even tell them, make them no go school. Now then go decide, say they no want go. Work, handwork, you no learn. Common akachichipi, you no get. Aduwe, you no get. You no learn anything. Nothing. You feel say na child support money then they pay children. Now you go take the now you go take the move. You take the move. No be so. Madam, you wait there Europe. Your husband never buy house for Europe. Waiting the shop where they be build houses for Nigeria. You want come leave Europe, pack your children, go live for Nigeria. I don't understand. Do you now want to leave Europe and pack your children? You wasted their rentage. You see they pay rent. Calculate 600 euro. Calculate 500 euro into 30 or 40 years. The man never buy house. Una never plan as now to buy the house. It don't build like 450 houses for Nigeria. What do you think? That one give a chance. If they go Nigeria, they come back anytime we like. What are you thinking? What do you they think? This man in question now, make we assume say he get house here. If he dey think of other things, he go still think say he go lose the house. Even when he lose the house, when he and the woman know he will still be paying for the house. The woman and her children will still stay in the house. So I beg, make we use the opportunity where we get. Us wait there for Europe. No throw away body say you marry and all those things. See, family. No waiting you know. The knowledge where you get, your family no go collect them from you. You wait there Europe here. Associate with the right people. Get the right information so that when anything's up, you go know how to put yourself. Now, thank you.
Thank you very much. God bless you. Thank you for your submission. You make a very nice comment. God bless you. Your submission is being heard. And don't forget, you are the second Mommy Gio in the house. We have the first Mommy Gio, pastor wife, and you are the second Mommy Gio. Guess what? Now Mommy Gio when sabi, now with the lawyer for. We get one Mommy Gio when they give us joy for the platform. And now the way we see you, it be like say you will still be like our first Mommy Gio. You understand? And only Mommy Gio, when be say if they carry everybody along, now with the lawyer for. Comment section, I feel like I talk. I have to find trouble. I want to find comment section trouble. Comment section. Not be mommy Gio when they carry us along. Not be with the lawyer for. Yeah, they say yes. You see, so Mrs. Martins, you are highly welcome to our platform, and we guess and we hope you are going to enjoy us here. Thank you very much. We welcome you to the community. God will bless you, bless your husband, and also bless your children, also your family. Thank you very much. Second, Mommy Gio in the building. You are welcome. So I just got some report just now. As you can see, I don't have to come up for line. And so we get time every day. Somebody ought to cry now as we speak right now. You ought to cry as we talk here now. Somebody they coming for the other phone. They cry for them. Based on the husband, they accuse him. Say, na she go meet. For Germany here too. For Germany here. Germany now, so not rescue Italy now. Before Italy, France. This one, I see Germany here now. Top go day today now than Germany here. Person when they cry, I said the husband, they accuse us, say, now she go meet. Let me say, see man. He see food for her hand. He go buy something for supermarket. I go buy something. Who shall be man? 3 children they grand. 3 children they grand. With 3 children. I said, make you not worry. I will call her later after the show. Make her hear her own side of the story. So I say I will tell you the matter they meet us. So times I will they work, only me will they talk. And so I can't do me. Voila. Anyway, we'll do well. No voila. Subhana, I see you, my brother. Good afternoon. Okay. Who is our next person? I think it's Iyenoge 1. Sister Iyenoge, unmute your side. Sister Iyenoge, are you with us? Okay. I think she's not there. Let's go to
Mrs. Namio, my cookie talk this one, no verse. My call down. Just 2 minutes.
Okay.
Obu. Girl, because I climbed up again, second time again. You get one of my sister where you mention my name. I love my father. Say, may not call Kelebe for your husband. Why? Because the way my brother talk from the beginning to the end, I understand everything. As he already put threat for the woman life and the mother life, say if you call Kelebe, he go buy your mama with the house. My dear sister, if you dey comment section, listen to me. I use and take make you be Benin like me. I use and take make parable just now. Say
no,
na Benin woman. Now it come up. You still make.
Okay.
Use Benin take make parable.
No, see, I don't see. Mama, wait first. See one thing. How to the operate platform. What that woman talk was not insultive. Even the
no be insult or why? No be insult.
Wait. Okay. Even the woman mention your name. That one don't pass since.
I know.
You only talk say one of my sisters say I love my father, say you not call police, so not be like that.
You're not even talking like that, brother. You're not talking like that.
He talk, mama.
No, we don't
open my camera. Now here piece I tell they talk to. Now tell they talk. Not be say I carry for go betro, I carry for go kitchen. I know here.
May you come.
Do you understand? Why you no one call police for his husband now because of his mama?
Wait first, sister.
Okay, now they hear you, sir.
Or where now this kind thing woman talk for year. Whether now day before one person talk for year, like just the way our sister we just come down and just talk. That is you. Say now make her come up. I can't remind her and say, not be there before yesterday, now yesterday. And even when you request to come up, I know say that one make you to come up. Me no, because you measure your name. But you don't measure your name bad. You just use and make
for bad. We don't need to
that example she use and make.
Okay. Why you? I see. And you know, say.
Make you know, no.
Okay.
Me
understand the why we me understand the. What I want talk, family of the house. I love you so much. About this, my sister. My sister still have opportunity to sit and make again. You understand? You dey abroad. Side where you dey now, instantly you go see work. Not be say maybe you dey Italy. You not go see work for this your age. It go hard. You understand? Side where you dey, so you go see work. And number two, children benefit. You see you say they support yourself. And another thing still dey for bongo many people they do. If I do, I go call on one. I go tell on one me tell you not be waiting. I go they talk for social media. You understand? My sister, no worry. Never you give up in life. Continue many things you are doing. That bit, if you grow, use and tell your children, see what you na papa do me. A form of experience about life. We were there, so our mama, they don't beat them. They do many things. So they don't face it down for the house. They come out. Another one again, when say you go divorce your husband. If you divorce your husband, my sister, you go pay dime. Separate your husband. Now you go better pass. As Jamie tell they operate, now say Italy City they operate. Separate your husband, and here you will get opportunity where you will take do something for life. You understand? Just forget what that man do. You not let her they bug you. Thank God say now April now we enter. So first month of this month of this year. You understand? Whatever I want to put on my body, see the hospital. You understand? Move on. No let her hurt you. Say my husband don't go, man. No let her hurt you. There, Bodo, you go where you go take make her again, my sister. I hear what my sister second mommy Gio talk just now. Pick many things what mommy Gio talk just now. Just not take do something. Just not take plan many things about your life. You understand? May God bless you and guide you, your children in Jesus' name. That's your second wife or your husband go marry. So now they manipulate your husband. They manipulate him. Yes, they manipulate and see what you go do, see what you not go do. But I not tell you say may you go meet all this native daughter. Carry yourself, come out as they pray. May God direct you. May you see helper where you can locate you. Who no get today, you go get tomorrow, my dear sister. I too like this platform. You understand? You go get tomorrow. I beg my sister. Don't let your enemy enter depression. Just they smart and 246 they enter this platform. Also they my job publicita. Also they we still get a local platform where we see the day. You see come see they do many things we go make you laugh. You understand? If you don't know the local platform, you call Brother Austin. Brother Austin go tell you. You understand, my sister? May God bless you now in Jesus' name. Okay, now I live in peace. Shalom.
Hey.
Mommy Benny, God bless you people.
Thank you.
I still made mistake on wine.
No, everything is fine. Okay, let me be honest. Let me be honest with you. We are serious. We have to be serious. Let me be honest. People are watching us all over the world. Please power tap the video. Let me be honest. Power tap, please. Let's go.
Stop, not worrying on your turn. Just hold on.
We are going to hit 200,000.
Thank you.
People say I should repeat the topic. I should just analysis. I will do it now, or I should just talk a little bit of the topic. I'm coming. Just wait, please. I am a man. I understand. A married man. I understand, but I don't support polygamy. I don't support it. I have to be honest here. I don't support polygamy. So if we are trying to tell the woman to keep quiet, to just forgive the man, just relax, So what we are preaching, what we are telling the woman is to accept the second woman. That's what we are saying here. That's what we are saying here. We are trying to support polygamy, and which is not good. So if your husband is not like that, you have to be happy, because you don't know what this woman is facing. I will not forget, say, so women don't cry, come meet us for a year, say the husband don't give them disease. I will not forget. Don't forget them. So now they forget things easily for this platform. Now we can say, so women don't cry on the platform, say their husband don't give them a disease from another woman. This is a platform. This is a platform. Now women will come, they will come, they cry, say their husband give them bacteria, their husband give them disease, and they are going through stress because of that disease. You understand? Because only yourself you know, as a wife. For me, for you to accept another woman into your life as a woman, as a mother, my sister, you remain single. I stand by that. For you to accept to be a first wife or to have a second wife, you better remain single. You have 4 children. What do you want again? What do you want? Let us be honest here. I'm a man. I don't support that. Because I'm a man, I have to say, okay, it's good. Just bear it now. It don't mean anything. No. I'm not like other people. Oh. I talk my mind. I don't behave like other people. Do you know what it is? Do you know what it takes for a man to, the way I've been now? I can't carry phone now. My wife will sit down for bed. Just talk hello. I'll carry phone. Come to talk to another woman. Hey, baby, I love you now. I love you. How is children now? How is children? Baby, have you eaten? Oh my God, they. Nonsense. You know the guy see finish when they there. See, I can't understand one thing about Africa, not Africa, sir. About Nigeria culture. Nigeria culture, it be like culture where be say, I don't know what it for say. Do you think that it's only women that are made to respect men? Is that what you guys are thinking? Is it only women that are made to respect men? The answer is no. It's not like that. In marriage, we respect each other. In marriage, we have to respect each other. We have to have our boundary. Also in marriage. If you are saying be patient, just accept. What are we preaching? It's polygamy. Why I will never support polygamy is this. Why I will never. My father did not do it, but I learned this thing from my grandfather. My grandfather was a bad man, was a woman beater. My grandfather was a woman beater. He never liked me one day. I said it every time. He never liked me.
So you go come talk in matter here one day.
He never liked me one day. My grandfather, with 3 to 4 wives. He never liked me because I do confront him every time. I was very small.
You see?
Now my grandfather now will give you wife. My grandmother was the first wife. My grandmother was the first wife. My grandfather now will give any of your wife money. Make a cook. My grandfather don't know they have this Igbijan. No Igbijan, Igbijan.
Yeah, now more
they get for here. They get her for here. Go Igbijan for here. You don't give your wife money. Now you they beat your wife, say they cook night food. But you don't give them money.
No.
You don't like me because I don't care. They tell them I'm mad. Nobody fit talk to them, but they tell them I'm mad. And see the talk say not like me. Not being born me. It's my grandfather.
There's a reason why you come from that place.
So that for my grandfather, now I tell learn that polygamy now very nonsense word.
No good.
Now battle, now war. You are yes, the kind of war where they go, Now only God now you know the kind of war where they go. I don't advise person make you go that war. Man will give you money. Oh. You know what you would do? You would come out, eh? You would come out because you want to please the man. Because you see the other woman, if they please the man, you want to please the man. You would use all your life to the service man. Like I tell you. Now so my grandfather wives they do them. They would use all their life. I want to be the best. I want to be the best. Take the service man. One day, God want just baptize my. God want baptize. May I call it? Give my. Okay, may I use this word? God want give my grandfather Holy Communion. No tea I put around. One night like that. I did there. I don't did there because we get short. We get stuff for close to where they sit down for a house for there. Or we not build that close to. We'll get stuff for there. God want give a Holy Communion. See what he God do am. The last wife can't cook. And this say last wife, now silver and gold can't attach to the last wife. You know what that means? When your grandfather take the last wife as a gold, that means the rest are nothing. You know what that means? My grandfather's last wife, the father was a very strong man, a very strong native daughter, popular. You know what that means? You know what that means? Good. When God want give a Holy Communion, see what he put to her. That woman can't cook in the night. As he cook in the night, you know those small fowl now, those small one. If you need born fowl now, those small one.
The chicken.
I know now.
Yeah.
You have those small one. Because the night food, light not day, they can go fall inside soup. They can go for inside soup. And that soup now, the woman don't know. Whether you know, I don't know how it happen. Or what you will see my grandfather the shot. Say he has been poisoned, but the last wife, they cannot be poisoned. Now they fall put for inside. Go see all the children now. They still did there. They still food that place. They still food them because I was not happy. It was overdoing all these women. Both the one they call gold, he was angry because they quick and eat one. Because he said nah, all those small fowl. Now they eat for inside soup.
Wait. Wait. Chicken. He chop am. The fowl.
You don't quick and chop one.
He done.
You see?
The small fowl done.
Now me chop am.
Na live fowl na live chick.
Now me chop am.
Hey.
Now me chop am. People say they shot. They call it that untouched. Because they remove all those consider.
I make all they like night food do.
Now all those night food not good. Everybody know.
Oh, like night food not good.
Remove because they say nah this thing. But how could they prove am? I was in the side that it wasn't a poison. Despite saying love the woman, they wanted to use it against the woman. It not be poison. Because why? That fowl, it born plenty children. Okay? And it always they stay close to that woman's side. You understand? So people say nah dear. Now they for we not all those kind of men now when they like to they prove a point. At the end of the day, all what they do now zero because they say not be poison. And the woman still talking. I small low. The way still talking. So not be poison because why? I mean with they always you understand, they get some little basketball sometimes. You understand? So I know they support polygamy. I know say it's not easy for any woman to embark on it. It's very, very difficult. I know say they did comment section, they did for FYP now. They listen to me, but that one at their own, it not concern me. So